If you are just starting uTest, there are mistakes you are probably making right now that are silently blocking you from making money. I made those mistakes too. Let me save you time. When I first joined uTest, I thought it was simple. Sign up, get project, start earning. But that's not how it works. I struggled at the beginning, not because uTest doesn't work, but because I didn't know how it works. So in this video, I will show you what I wish I knew earlier, so you don't make the same mistakes too. The first mistake is expecting fast money. A lot of people join uTest today and expect payment tomorrow. That mindset will frustrate you. uTest is not a get-rich-quick platform. It is a skill-based system. The earlier you understand this, the better. Another mistake is ignoring profile setup. I didn't take my profile seriously at first. Meanwhile, incomplete profile means fewer invites. Once I fixed it, things started changing. Your profile is your entry point. You need to treat it like your CV. Another mistake is poor bug reporting. This is where many beginners fail. At first, I didn't know how to properly report bugs. I wasn't detailed. I didn't include enough evidence. I didn't follow instructions properly, and that affects your rating. On uTest, quality is everything. Another mistake is missing invites. Sometimes I actually got invited, but I responded late or ignored it. And on uTest, timing matters. If you are not active, someone else takes your spot. Always check your email and dashboard. Another mistake I made was not staying active. I will log in once in a while and expect results, but that doesn't work. You need to stay active, apply for cycles, engage with the platform. Activity increases your visibility. Another mistake I made was not learning the system. I thought I could just figure everything out on my own, and that slowed me down. Once I started learning properly, reading instructions, understanding test cycles, everything became easier. When I corrected these mistakes, I started seeing real changes, not overnight, but consistently, and that is the key. Consistency is the key. That is exactly why I created my ebook, because I know how confusing it can be when you are just starting. Inside, I break everything down step by step, from setting up your profile to getting your first payment. If you want to avoid these mistakes completely, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe, and comment below which of these mistakes are you currently making. Learn these mistakes early and you will move faster than most beginners. I will see you in the next one.